I made a quick hot sauce recently with no fermenting involved and it was so fresh. So now we're taking on the highly requested Kiwi hot sauce. Place a pan on the heat and add some oil. We want to keep this sauce kiwi green, so we're starting with a little sliced onion, some roughly chopped green bell pepper, and of course don't forget those green jalapeno seeds and all. Cook everything gently, stirring all the time until the veg is soft. You might want to open a window here, the air's about to get spicy. Once soft, add a little salt and some sugar to the pan, followed by white wine vinegar and a little water. Bring everything to the boil, then cover with a lid and simmer for 10 minutes or until the chilies are soft. Once cooked, place into a blender along with some freshly scooped kiwis, a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice, and some coriander. Then blitz everything together until bright green and silky smooth. And that's it. A zingy little hot sauce ready to bottle and give to your favourite kiwi lover. Of course, I had to test it out, so I heated it up with a little bit of butter, covered some chicken wings, and went to town on those fruity bastards. This one was honestly a real surprise. I highly recommend trying it. Make that sauce coat those wings, and don't forget to like and follow.